Today we're gonna do معمول كحك العيد, which are filled cookies usually served during Ramadan or after Ramadan. For the dough you need 500 grams of semolina, 150 grams of melted butter, and a half cup of vegetable oil. Add all three ingredients into a bowl and knead by your hand. At the end, the dough should look like crumbles. Keep the crumbles in the fridge overnight. Now continue to prepare the fillings. For the walnut filling you need 200 grams of grated walnuts, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. For the pistachio filling you need 150 grams of grated pistachios, 50 grams of grated almonds, and a little bit of water. For the hazelnut filling you need 200 grams of grated hazelnuts and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of hazelnut cream. Let's start with the pistachio filling. Add the almonds to the pistachios and add a little bit of sugar. Then add some water and knead the filling by your hand until combined. Put it aside and continue with the walnut filling. Therefore, add the walnuts into a bowl, add the cinnamon and the sugar, add a little bit of water as well, knead the filling by your hand until combined. Put it aside as well and continue with the hazelnut filling. Therefore, knead the hazelnuts with the hazelnut cream until combined. Put the fillings as well into the fridge and continue the next day to finish the dough. Therefore, take out the crumbles. Prepare 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 pack of vanilla sugar, a little bit of salt, 1 pack of baking powder, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of rose water, 1/4 cup of water, about a teaspoon of yeast, and a teaspoon of sugar. At first prepare the yeast mixture, therefore add the sugar to the water in a bowl. Add then the yeast and put it aside. Take then the crumbles, add the flour, the icing sugar, the vanilla sugar, the salt and the baking powder. Basically, you add all of the dry ingredients and knead until combined. Then add the liquid ingredients. At first add the milk and the rose water and knead the dough until combined. At last add the yeast mixture. If the dough is still very sticky, add some more flour. Now the dough is finished and you should shape it into small balls. Do the same with the fillings. Then take a ball of the dough, shape it as shown in the video, put a filling aside and close it well. You can use a cookie stamp to put a nice pattern on it, or you can use any other kitchen equipment like the spoon to put a nice pattern on it. As soon as the cookies are finished, put them in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 30 minutes. Take them out of the oven until they get a golden brown color. Then decorate them with some icing sugar and enjoy.